right now I have 50-50 in terms of my effort. So 50% kumita na ako eh. Kumita na ako using the stock market thanks to Marvin's stock
50%.
smarts.
What's your favorite stock so far sa lahat ng na trade mo? Ano yung pinaka most memorable trade for you?
Dalawa.
Okay.
Yung una, VLL.
VLL,
That was
okay.
a huge win for
From
me.
5? From 5. Okay, from 5 to 7. You took profits na on it.
Took profits
Okay,
na.
5 to 7, 40%.
So that
Okay guys, we're with Sean C. For those who've been watching the previous videos, he's the CEO of SEO Hacker, multimillionaire at 22 years old, one of the richest millennials entrepreneurs that you will ever meet. No? So follow him if you want to know more on how you can be an entrepreneur and make money off of it. Ngayon, I don't know where this video will go, no, but I just have a couple of questions. You attended Stock Smarts last December this year. So, ano yung pinaka naging difference naman on the way you do your trades? Kasi context, there might be a lot of people who have a business also or they're busy with their job. How do you change your how has it affected your trades naman ngayon now that you know either technicals or fundamentals naman?
First off, before Stock Smarts, I have never attended a stock seminar before, and I'm the kind of guy who just goes ahead and does things to learn from them. So I just really jump into things. So when I opened my first account, I used DPI Trade before. I had no idea what I'm getting into, and I only practiced fundamental investing. Pero I wasn't even really good at it kasi I didn't win a lot, yun na lang. So I had more losses than wins during that time. So I just let the money sleep. Kasi I invested money I was willing to lose and money that I didn't need to use kagad or I didn't
multi-millions, guys.
I didn't invest a lot in the stock market kasi nga hindi ako ganun ka-knowledgeable pa. So when I attended Stock Smarts with Marvin, that's the first time I've ever invested in my mind about how to do it right. And ang layo, like how I was trading after that was miles and miles away because learning about yung technical pa lang learning about technical analysis and how to trade using technical analysis, that is leaps and bounds away from how I was doing it because I didn't know how to read charts. At first I thought it was daunting, it was difficult kasi charts, di ba? Parang nosebleed yan or malaki yung learning curve niyan.
Pero yun, unbeknownst to many, charts is not as complicated as what people think.
Exactly.
No? As ano.
You just have to look at some signals. A couple of them, 3 of them, 4 of them. Super simple signals na parang binary nga, yes or no, true or false lang siya. Nag-hit ba? True. Hindi ba nag-hit? Okay, true. Pag hindi nag-hit, di wala. Tapos i-combine mo lang siya. I like these 4 signals and kung true itong lahat, then I'll buy. Or kung nag-hit itong lahat sa sell signal na gusto ko, I'll sell. Ganun lang siya kasimple.
So how has that, since you're busy, you're running a business, 4 companies, guys, 4 companies, sobra 4 companies, running 4 companies, that's mostly millennials inside of those companies. How can you trade using technicals based on the amount of time that you put in your business also?
Usually, when I was right now I have 50-50 in terms of my effort. So 50% kumita na ako Kumita na ako using the stock market thanks to Marvin's stock smarts.
What's your favorite stock so far sa lahat ng na trade mo? Ano yung pinaka most memorable trade for you?
Dalawa.
Okay.
Yung una, VLL. That was
okay.
a huge win for
From
me.
5? From 5. Okay, from 5 to 7. You took profits na on it.
Took profits
okay,
na.
5 to 7, 40%.
So that was
okay.
And
Pero
yung isa pa,
let's just break that down. Ano yung pinaka signal sa'yo for you buying VLL at 5? What did you see about it?
breakout. Kasi nakita ko yung breakout point niya.
Okay. So you bought exactly just the candlestick lang drawing the resistance or you looked at other indicators dun habang
Candlestick, CMF, MACD, tsaka
okay.
one other thing, I forgot what's that. No, yung MA.
Okay, so interesting, yung ginawa niyang style, moving averages, MACD, then check in money flow just to see kung money's coming in, then drawing his own support and resistance with the candlestick.
Yeah.
How much time did you put in order for you to be able to analyze the trade? Did it take a week? Ganyan?
No. It took like 1 hour maybe.
1 hour, okay.
Because I was, tinitingnan ko na siya eh. I was really into VLL already. And that was, I think, pa-election season pa lang nun eh. Yeah, December ako nag-invest eh. December ako nag-invest VLL.
Okay. So pero, when 1 hour, you consider that fast or slow? Or
that's already...
You can do it faster next time or this is medyo slower?
Medyo slow na siya. Kasi
medyo slow. Okay.
Sandali lang ako mag-analyze.
Okay, so from 5, you sold around 7, I assume?
Around, yeah.
Okay, what was your
7.2.
trigger to 7.2? What was your trigger to sell naman dun?
Nag-sideways na siya matagal. Actually, yung selling,
so
parang
change in
June lang ako
change in direction, meaning, kasi sa totoo naman talaga, tagal na yung sideways. It's
tagal
very narrow na
and
sideways.
historically, sideways siya ng matagal dun sa 5. So, pinagta ko na.
Okay, so yun. So your signal to sell was nag-change na siya from something that was going up, then you saw confirmation na sideways and you took profits from it.
Yes.
Galing. 100 million nilagay mo, di ba? So,
maliit lang nilagay ko, maliit lang. Sana nga, 100 million.
Second trade. What was your second trade na memorable?
Manila Bulletin.
This year. Okay. What was the signal naman for it? I didn't follow that narrative, pero what did you get from Manila Bulletin naman?
Actually, that was a risky trade eh. Kasi the first candlestick na big,
I assume ito yung movement na February, no?
Yeah, yun.
Boom, yung gumanon.
Yeah, yung gumanon. Biglang for no reason.
Pagsak na siya, tapos sideways na siya. Today eh.
So I went in, the first day na nag-candlestick siya ng white na malaki, I missed it.
Okay.
So I placed in a buy order for the next day.
After the large green candle.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then the buy order next day also went up by a lot.
Okay.
And then nakasell ako dun sa peak nun. Nakasell order na ako.
So yung buy signal mo lang was just basically nag-break out kasi siya above the moving averages also nun eh.
Yeah.
So it was already above the 200-day moving average. 200-day moving average kasi is a very large resistance. If a stock breaks past that, mas malakas yung movement niya upward. So yun yung inisip mo na above the moving average?
No, ang inisip ko lang, baka mag-isa pa siyang large candlestick. Actually, it was a very risky trade for me.
Then yung ano yung sell signal mo dun?
What caused you
to sell? What was your trigger? Na hindi niya...
Weird enough.
Okay.
Ano lang, nung nakita kong happy na ako dun sa kikitain ko, nag-sell na ako. Kasi one day trade lang siya eh.
Okay.
And it was big. It was pretty big. Like
percentage. What was a larger percentage na lang? Yun o yung ano? Vista Land?
The Manila Bulletin was big. And it's a one-day event for me.
Pero ito interesting. If you will choose it over again, ano yung pipiliin mo? Yung Manila Bulletin or yung Vista Land na trade?
Mas stress yung Manila Bulletin.
Okay.
Kasi risky talaga yung ginawa ko. So
actually, ano yung tingin mo mas ma-replicate mo?
The VLL.
Kasi
definitely.
mas madaming triggers yun.
The MB was more of gut feeling.
Okay. Ngayon, I'll just end it with this. You made money off Vista Land. You made money off Manila Bulletin. Even if you're busy as an entrepreneur, what's your words of encouragement for other entrepreneurs?
40%.
40%. Same lang.
One day.
So 40% guys. So Shansi made 40% in 2 stocks. One day 40% yung isa. Months yung VLL.
Months yun.
Okay. How to earn 40%? Follow Shansi. Galing niya. Trading entrepreneur.
Yung sa easy call mo, 3,000%. Guys, wala talaga yan. Walang tatala doon.
In one word, look at the camera. What's the one secret sauce that you've learned so far to make massive amounts of money in the stock market?
Stock smarts.
What have you from your own skill set na ito yung kailangan kong gawin para kumita pa ako lalo?
I think more of knowledge. You have to invest. Kasi kagaya nung what I was saying earlier nga na I used to trade just on my own. I just hopped in it. I've read some books about trading from Warren Buffett, pero it's not enough eh. Yung sasabihin mong, hindi, fundamentals lang ako. Hirap. You have to really wait a long time. And if you don't have that much patience, because not a lot of people have that kind of patience as Warren Buffett does, ma-dishearten ka eh. Because the market goes up and goes down eh. And when I invested in my mind about technical analysis, and other facets
But it's
of
the best, no?
fundamental.
Technical analysis is amazing. Super.
If you want to trade the lalo na Philippine stock market, technical, you must know it. You must know technical analysis. If hindi mo siya alam, ang laki ng talo mo. Ang laki ng talo mo. Parang yung
sige,
natalo ko dati.
just to end, you made a lot of money using knowing technicals naman. What was the worst percentage loss that you got na nang hula ka lang? Parang, gut feel na to, bala na to.
45%.
45%.
Belcorp.
Did you cut naman?
Hindi, nandun pa.
Talaga.
Nandun.
Kasi see ito, oh.
Grabe.
I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon with super rich guy Shansi. Bye bye everyone.